Okay, y'all, I'm out mushroom hunting by myself today. Everybody else is at work. Found a little tender mushroom right here. It just barely rained yesterday. Probably not enough to bring anything up, but I like to get out here and walk and look anyhow. If we'd get a good rain, we'd have hundreds, probably even thousands of mushrooms. You'd be shocked how many will be in one area. If you hear Jack braying, I don't know if he hears me or if somebody's coming down the driveway. He usually lets us know when somebody's coming. But anyhow, I like to get out here and look around, even if I don't find anything. We found enough for a whole batch the other day of morels, and they were good. And there's one right there, but it's been smashed. I'm fortunate enough that I work here at the Homestead, so I can get out here and look sometime. There's a mushroom too, a white one, but it's not what I'm looking for. I don't know if y'all can see this spider web, but they are all through the woods here. And you get right up on them before you even know it's there. And get it all over your face and everything else. Here's a fern. I'm going to show you, this is one of the reasons I love walking out here. I'm about to see where these are coming from. Okay. It's too bright there, I think. Let me get over here. I know I seen some when I walked up just now before I laid my bag down. Here we go. Looky there. I'm fixing to see where the source of these are and what they are. Looks like some kind, maybe little wild plum. Things like that excite me. I like to find them. Right there's one. Yeah. Fixing to see where these little dudes come from and what they are. I got some videos of it, and I took some pictures of it to maybe see what it is later. Search it and see what it is. Oh, looky here. I told you we just need a good rain. And let's see if I can see it. Where to find it? Right there. That one looks a little old, or either the top's bit off of it or something. No, it's old. They just ain't got enough rain to get real big. That's the chanterelles. This is our honey hole we come to every year. But yeah, there's signs of it everywhere. We just need a good rain. Look at that little beauty. There's another one, but something's got it. I believe when I just researched that one, it was a deer mushroom. And some of those big ones we found, I think, was a bitter bolete, but I'm going to check into them more. Not those, but the big ones I found yesterday. See the orange on the ground there? That'll be chanterelles too. So yeah, they're here. Just need some good rain. Something's been a-munching on them though. Look at that tiny baby. There's a little mushroom right there. Excuse my voice, y'all. I don't know if it's my chronic bronchitis, a little bit of asthma, or what we got going on, or a little summer cold or something, but It's been worse since we did the hay, so I'm thinking it's maybe just some allergies. But boy, it's hot and sultry out here today. I'm not going to video the whole time I'm walking and bore you all to death, so I'll turn it on when I find one. If you can see that one right, I'll get it in here in a minute. Right there. So yeah, there's lots of them out here. Like I said, if we just get us a good old rain. Oh, here's some. Takes me a minute to find it in there. Oh, there it is. Wasn't far enough down. Another cobweb I almost walked right into. I'm anxious to see these down there, see if anybody can see them. Surely you can see it wiggling around there in the middle. A little snail. Looky here, y'all. That's one of them blue mushrooms I've seen. I think they're edible. I'm going to look it up, but I haven't ever ate them. But don't take my word for it. Look it up, like I said. I'm going to take a picture of the bottom of it and the stem and everything else and find out myself. But it's awful pretty. Is that not absolutely a gorgeous color? Look at that little petite baby. I think the little ones are so cute. I hope y'all can see this when the sun's shining on it, so I'm hoping. I know you can see some of the strings wiggling there. See, I would have walked straight into all that. It got that big spider right there in my face. Yep, good Chucky. There's a spider in the center. Look at this big red one, and then there's a little red one right there. In this little wet weather creek, it's dried up right now, but look at the hole in this rock. Doesn't it kind of look like a heart? That's so cute. I guess y'all already figured out I saved that little rock with the heart. I'm taking it home with me. Here's another cobweb. Yeah, you walk into these all day long out here.